Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can delete a Discord server. This can be done via the app or via the actual Discord website. I'll be showing you how to do this on the app today. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and leave a comment below. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Discord and log into our account. And then we just need to find the server we want to delete. So I've got one here which I've created. If you're looking for how to create a Discord server, I'll drop a link now that should come up at the top of the screen. And that's another video I've done to show you how to create a Discord server. However, if you're looking to delete the server you've created, all you need to do is click onto the server that you want to delete. This is just an example one I've set up for this video. And if you look up here in the top left hand corner, there's a little down arrow. Just go ahead and give that a click. And you want to go to server settings, and in the menu on the left hand side, if you look right towards the bottom in red writing, it says delete server. So all you need to do is go ahead and give that a click, and to confirm you want to delete the channel, your server, what you need to do is just enter the name of the server. So you need to enter it word for word for this to work. Including any capital letters. So you can see here, Digital Tutor Discord channel, I've called it. I'm going to go ahead and just type that in and click the delete server button down here. And what it's going to do, it's going to ask for a bit of feedback just to basically tell Discord why you're deleting the server. I'm just going to put this one here. I didn't mean to make a server. Thanks for reporting your issue. Feedback like yours helps us improve Discord. Done. And you'll see that server has now disappeared. That has been deleted. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did find that helpful, drop a like on the video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you do want to help the Digital Tutor channel grow, there is a link in the video description where you'll be able to buy the team here a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.